how to log into your HelloFresh account. If you're looking to enjoy delicious meals delivered straight to your door, then you've probably heard of HelloFresh. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to log into your HelloFresh account, step by step. Open your browser and go to the HelloFresh website at www.hellofresh.com. Now, once you're on the home page, look for the login or get started button. Now, once you've done that, after you've logged in, this will take you to the page where you need to enter your zip code and sign up and click on select meals. Once you've entered your details, click on login button. Now, if you're using the HelloFresh mobile app, the process is pretty similar. Open up the app and on the home screen you should see a login button at the bottom. Tap on the login button and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password just like on the website. And that's it. You're now logged into your HelloFresh account and ready to start exploring the delicious meal options. It's really simple once you know the steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.